interview. How you guys gonna race today? Y'all gonna do well today?
Oh, we're gonna chase them around.
Hey Brock, man, you gonna keep them in line?
All right, they're gonna keep me in line. That's the way it works.
We go with the start. Purple comes down and lighting goes up.
J22 World's coming up in October, right here on Lake Pontchartrain. Juby Wynne Regatta, race 1. About to start J22.
And 5, 3, 2, 1.
754 clear.
There you go, Chris Winches and team over the line first.
Speed up at 45 seconds. Last plane will fly. 5, 3, 2, 1. Stop!
All clear.
That's right.
717, you are over. 754, you are over. 754 clear. 707 clear.
Five, 3, 2, 1. Stop. 10, 5, 2, 1.
All clear, all clear.
See ya. Coaching my frustration. My green fleeters. It's like 20-degree shifts, and they're like.
Five, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
All clear.
See ya. 5, 3, 2, 1.
All clear.
Miller, I got a photo of you in your natural position. Guys, this is Miller. He's our race committee rock star who helps us out. You know, no mistakes today, but check it out.